I'm sorry to say that this project has stopped up a little. I get sick, so I'm just having a bad cold. But I've taken out the back floor of the car to try to clean that from bad smell, but I washed and still it look the smell is there, so I'm not sure what to do. They talk about using ion and ionization machine to take away smell, so maybe I try that. But now I got some parts, some clips, and I was out buying oil, so some days ago it was a special offer on mobile oil, so I bought some. Going to change oil on the Land Cruiser and also on the Kia Ceed that I have as a project car that I'm going to fix up and sell. Now I've been getting in some brakes parts for the car projects. I have to see, because I didn't get everything I ordered. Something is supposed to come later. Here is supposed to be brake pads for this car. This car I've changed brake pads in the front 1 year ago or something. Get some pads here, but I ordered pads for both this car and the Kia Ceed. So now I have to check out which one is which one. But now I get 2 sets of brake pads there. And one more box. This has to be Land Cruiser back plates. Can't understand. And it could be Kia. I have to believe that this one. And this has to be Land Cruiser. These suckers, and the oil and brake pads, but something is wrong, because I'm supposed to have been getting 3 sets of brake pads and it's not. And we shouldn't forget I get one more packaged. Maybe a little more fun, especially for a camera guy. A small backup camera put in by the plate lights are supposed to stand on the back door. So that's going to get a backup camera. I'm not sure how to connect it to the screen, or if I can do it or not, or if I have to put in another screen. Maybe I do that with a better navigation system. How to see. If someone have a good idea, just tell me. Thank you. In here I'm fast or don't have some of the mechanics. So the opening system on the back of the door is not working. I think also it's some wire or something to the system was for opening from inside. But I don't have the back door. It wasn't here when I bought the car. So I'm not sure what is picked out. I haven't checked the system for the wiper on the back, because that was supposed to not be working, but there's a lot of fuses that were blown, so maybe. Also inside the car it was not supposed to be working, the windows from the driver's door, but now 3 of the windows are working, so it's one that's not working. So I had to find out what's the problem there, and I had to clean out this shit because it had been a wet dog in there and it smelled bad, and the seat, there's dirt on the seats and the floor mats is very bad, so I had to take out everything. But first I have to get well from this cold, because I have no power to do nothing. Should have changed the oil, but I can't for the moment. Back home from work and I'm just tired. I've been for many days now, not able to do anything. So I'm just hoping that this next week then I'm going to feel a lot better than today and the last days. Okay, goodbye.